Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Niftywala and today I have a quick update video on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has given us a final close of 39,132 today on closing basis, and as I'm recording this video it's 16th of March. So I have a few levels which are marked over here for short-term trading only. These are only for those people who are interested to know levels as to what are the short-term trading levels for Bank Nifty. So I have made this video for those people. Uh, so as you can see, 39,330 is the level I have marked over here, and there is this green line which I have marked. So above this level, if Bank Nifty manages to sustain and stay above this for 15-20 minutes, then a possible upside target over here is 39,950 in short term. That is within Friday or the next Monday. So Friday and Monday are the 2 days I'm talking about. Once these levels are achieved and Nifty manages to close successfully above 39,950, it can look for upside targets of 40,050 to 40,400. Remember, there was a fall in Bank Nifty from 41,300 level with a gap. So it will try and touch these upside levels, but it's going to be very difficult for Bank Nifty. And the structure it has made is that it was making these lower levels, and it was within this channel and moving within this range, and today on closing basis it has gone out of this upper band and tried to stay above this. So tomorrow again, if the market opens in green and manages to sustain above 39,330, then I think that it should try to touch this level of 39,950. That's my short-term view. Request you to please hit the like button on your device, and request you to please subscribe to my channel, Neeraj Niftywala. Thank you so much for watching.